out and see so many faces. Yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred. Forget what I'm saying and here we go.
Still think there's no such thing as the boogeyman.
No surprises.
This is a new kind of enemy.
Am I on an island?
Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful, man. I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos.
Yeah, the sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside.